Wolkite Polytechnic College is a key institution in Ethiopia that is shaping the future of technical education. Wolkite Polytechnic College, located in the central Ethiopia region, has been a beacon of learning since its establishment. The college offers a range of programs designed to equip students with practical skills in engineering, technology, and vocational training. With the state-of-the-art facilities and a dedicated faculty, Wolkite Polytechnic College emphasizes hands-on experience. Students participate in various projects that prepare them for real-world challenges. The current Wolkite Polytechnic College was established as Wolkite Industrial College in 2008 and started giving training in 3 subject areas, admitting 7 students.
Current Wolkite Polytechnic College was established as Wolkite Industrial College in the year 2008, which means in Ethiopian 2000 Ethiopian millennium. At that time, it started training in 3 subject areas by admitting 70 students. From that time onward, from the establishment onwards, we have improved so many things. And the college has grown from time to time due to its improvement, its management, at the same time its achievement. So in 2003, which means in Ethiopian calendar, which is 2011 in Gregorian calendar, the college grown up to Wolkite Polytechnic College. And its progress continued. At the same time, in 2008 Ethiopian calendar, which is around 2016, the college has become Federal Technical University or Institute, Wolkite Satellite Campus, and now we are providing degree training in 4 occupational areas.
One of the departments in Wolkite University now is ICT department, and this college has a data center which is provided to the college in collaboration with Ministry of Labor and Skills.
We are here in data center in Wolkite Polytechnic College. This data center serves as a data center for our college and as well as for control network infrastructure overall in WPC. WPC in an abbreviation, Wolkite Polytechnic College. This appliance or materials delivered by S3 project collaborated with MOLS, Ministry of Labor and Skill, and gives a lot of service for us. These are servers, 3 servers capable to store huge amount of data. Here, this is a core switch, control over all switch, which are found in Wolkite Polytechnic College. Around 25 switch are available. Here, this is a wireless controller. 25 wireless access points are available in every compound in WPC. This is UPS and the battery. It gives a power. When the power goes or fluctuation happen, it delivers an interruptible or proper power for this data center. The others, this is a router. Router gives internet from service provider for this company, for this college, high-speed internet and most secured internet delivered.
This data center has different robust technologies in itself.
As I said, this is the core switch. It controls over all the switches which are found in WPC. And also this is the router. Here, wireless controller, 25 wireless controller around in our college and controlled by this device. The most secured and robust technology. Here this is the UPS or uninterruptible power supply, and gives when the power goes down, it's continue the power as normal. This server is not only for data, as well as store technology like school management or the company store system or inventory system available here, developed by our trainers, our inside trainer or teachers, and deploy here and deliver service for our staff in WPC, and also library system found here, deliver 24/7 service for our trainees or students. This is indoor AC. There is also outside in the external AC, collaborated with this device, and good air condition for this room because server is sensitive. That's why when the temperature fluctuates or unstable, this device control the room temperature and give smooth air condition.
Wolkite Polytechnic College, or WPC, has a smart computer laboratory fully equipped with computers.
This is one of our computer laboratory among 7, and these are our students which are taking training in web development. As you can see, this room is fully equipped with computers. Before this, there is an issue, lack of computers, and which affect on our trainees on examinations and the quality of service. Now we are fully equipped with computers and recent technology, and give quality of service for our trainees or students and positive impacts on them. They successfully pass the COC examination and participate on training. And a lot of equipments are available, like a projector for smart training, and there is a switch on the switch cabinets for internet delivery. These rooms also have an internet connection, so the students or trainees can search anything on internet for the help of the training purpose.
WPC, or Wolkite Polytechnic College, has also automotive workshop where students learn practically.
This is our more modernized and the well-equipped workshop, which gives training for trains in auto mechanics, in automotive electronics, starting from level 1 up to BSc degree. This is that we give training for our students. Here there are a lot of training models. Those models are used to give the basic information or understanding to the trains. There are a lot of, here it is the modeling. This one is a sample for the gasoline engine, how it works for fundamentally. This one is another equipment. It is used for the diesel engines, which adds more air to the engines, which its name is turbocharger. This one is the one equipment or a model, it's a carburetor, which uses as a device in the gasoline fuel systems, which mix air and fuel mixers for the systems. There are a lot of equipment. This one is also another ignition system equipment. The name is called distributor, which distributes the high amounts of voltage to each cylinders based on the firing orders of those cylinders. So here it is also for the one equipment for the diesel. It's the fuel injectors, which injects the fuel at operational conditions of the engines. So here it is a lot of equipment. This one is the best model that gives the basic understanding to the students, how it works, how the air gets into the engine cylinders, how it compresses, how it ignites, and so on. This one is the one.
This automotive workshop has gained modern spare parts which learners can learn from in details.
The name of this model is the fuel injection pump. This pump helps us the heads of the fuel systems, which supplies, which distributes the fuel based on the firing orders of each cylinders to each cylinders based on their firing order. This one is the similar models. Those are all the modeling equipment. We only give training as theoretical part. They take the training as basic concepts. Then if they levels up from 1 up to 2 and up to 3, they went to more advanced training station. This one is the AFI engine, which is operated by the petrol fuel. This is more, it works by a computerized system. Computerized systems, it is now more advanced. The first generation is the conventional. Now more it is added more electronic equipments. Here it is a dashboard. There are a lot of equipments are integrated with these computer systems. There are a lot of systems are integrated with here. This one is one engine which is operated by petrol fuel. The other one is this engine. This is similar with the gasoline, but the basic difference is this engine is operated by the diesel fuel. The basic difference is it's operated by the diesel fuel, and this one is also more computerized system. It has its own computer. That computer receives different signals from different sensors. There are LS sensors. That sensors used detects different informations around the engine. Then that sensors gives information to the computer. The computer receives that signals from the sensors and controls the other actuators on the engine. This one is the other engine which is operated by the diesel fuel.
The college uses many modern technologies and gives certificate of competence after evaluating both their knowledge and skills, but it highly encourages skill development.
Debate has to be more focusing on skill parts and practical trainings. So in our college, we have make our college capable of many materials that we have making practical trainings. So most of the trainers are more capable of skill parts as it is. So finally, after the training or after the skill training, we have delivery of COC or competency assessment in the institutional level. After institutional level, holistic competency assessment has to be delivered by national level. All that are the way that we have to evaluate what amounts of quality has to be delivered for the trainers. In the past years, almost above 85% of our trainers are competent. This shows that our training are most of the time is quality, but some of them, almost 50% has to be making some skill gap training and other additional training and capacity building activities. They have to be also assessed again. Most of them are passed. So this shows that our training has to be most of the time, not full as it is, but somehow it's most of the quality training for that. These are the assessment or these are the parameters that we have to measure. Our quality of the training has to be conducted on the college. So COC is all the trainers are before out of this college or graduate from this college, all of them are taking COC. Without this, we are not graduated on the college. This is the parameter or the final stage of our training quality has to be evaluated on the college levels as it is.
This WPC also gives practical knowledge and skills in garment industry.
In this department, we receive the many students to get or we transfer knowledge, theoretical and practical knowledge by following the competency of the occupation. So first the students take the theory part. In theory part there is a theory room. That in the theory room this room is card room. In this room there is there are different tasks. That the first one is the student able to do the pattern by using what? Software. That software is Lectra software. From that Lectra software there is 3 packages, Modaris, Diamino and Just Print. In Modaris, the students do what? The pattern of the garment. And by using Diamino making what? The marker making. By using Diamino, they make what? The pattern marker making. Then after Just Print, by using Just Print software, they make what? Plot out the works or plot out the work by plotter machine. So in this room, the student make what? The pattern by using computer-aided design software.
This garment workshop has also modern technologies to equip the students with modern knowledge in garment industry.
This is the plotter machine. This plotter machine is used to what? Used to plot out or used to print the product. That is what? The marker. Marker when the student make by using the Lectra software, make the marker or make the pattern. When they are finished, they transfer to what? This machine. This is what? By using Just Print. By using Just Print, they transfer to what? This. Then this machine is plot out or print out the work. This change to the soft copy into what? Into hard copy. Like what? Like printer. There is cutting machine. That is this. The name of this machine is straight knife cutting machine. This is the round knife cutting machine. There is band knife that behind me. There is band knife. That band knife is cut the small component like collar, like cuff, like pocket, and other small component should cut by using what? Band knife. So in this department is more or less the cutting department that separate, disassemble the what? The fabric.
Even if the college has come through ups and downs, it could be able to produce competent graduates, and this college is also collaborating with many international organizations.
There were so many ups and downs, but we have won all the problems and we scored so many results. Mainly the achievements are briefed in terms of mainly human resource development. In terms of that, we have trained so many trains from level 1 up to degree level. So our major achievement in human development is that our graduates are more of able trainees, and more of industries at the same time, more of employing companies are there searching them. From time our employees or our customers are increasing, who are demanding our graduates. So this is one of the achievements. Currently, Wolkite Polytechnic is one of the known polytechnic in Ethiopian level, at the same time at international level. To brief some of them, at national level, we are competent enough. One of the 15 satellite institutes who will become in the near future satellite institutes by themselves. So this is one of the achievement. At the same time, internationally, we are working with so many international organizations in terms of human resource development, technology transfer, at the same time, management system. To name some of them, just many of them are from Germany, GIZ, KfW, ADRA Germany, and others are just closely working with us. So we got some material support, at the same time technology transfer from them. We shared also experience what we get from them for other TVET colleges. We are center of cluster. We are coordinating more than 8 colleges in this Gurage zone. So we share what we got from the international organizations to our fellow cluster colleges, at the same time for the regional colleges, for the national at the same time. So this is one of our achievements. At the same time, we have shared our experience for the Zambian fellows in Kaizen management system at once on time. So when the Zambian team has came to Ethiopia, Federal Technical Ministry chose us to share experience as on behalf of our country. So this is one of the achievements that we are sharing our experience for international bodies. So currently we are implementing different initiatives in our college, depending on the reforms that our country is conducting. On the part of TVET, there are 11 DNAs that are divided into different initiatives. So we are closely working with the Ministry of Labor and Skills, at the same time regional TVET Bureau, zonal TVET department, and now we are differentiated around 5 training areas to excel, depending on the economic corridor, depending on the market demands of the industry, the investment, at the same time the endowments that we occupied in this area. We are providing training on 5 special areas, namely garment and textile department, automotive, construction, agro-processing, and others. We are now excelling in these areas.
We are competing as a national level many times. There are the different packages also prepared by regional levels as well as national levels. We are competing and also in skill part as well as technological parts. Or many times we have win on that competitions, and also we have to show ourselves for the different positions as it is. So many of our trainers, those graduated from this college in the previous years most of them are working on around the countries. This is our achievements when we are searching or when we are checking when they are going to these graduate trainings, or by different ways that we have tracer studies and evaluation studies in these positions. Most of them are working in different higher level as well as middle level positions. It is our achievements. So in this case, national levels as well as regional levels, our college are more familiar names. So this makes us, our work are very strong, and we try to make our best in different ways, and also try to make our college are more competent in different ways. This is our achievement when we are good communication with regional as well as national levels as it is.
Wolkite Polytechnic College, or WPC, is aggressively working to achieve its ambition to be one of the best institutions in East Africa, and is working to be financially independent college.
In the near future, in our vision, in 2013, we are going to become one of the best institutes in East Africa. So this college will become center of excellence, including for East Africa in the near future. So to do that, one of the initiatives is only differentiation, the other is digitalization. Digitalization is now, we are in the 21st century, and we are entering into the industrial era of 4, industrial age 4, that needs digitalization very, very highly. So we are implementing digitalization. We have networked all the systems in the compound. At the same time, we are providing blended learning for our students. If a kind of pandemic that occurred in the near past, that means the COVID, if that happens now, we are going to solve problems of training. We can't close the training because we have learned a lot from the pandemic. Now we are going to provide training using digitalization. Now we have finished the establishment of, or the designing of digital content, and it started implementing. The other initiative that we are implementing in this reform is on the TVET part, TVET enterpriseization. We have established more than 6 enterprises in this compound that are going to generate income for us. In the near future, from 5 to 10 years, we are going to graduate from the government dependency. We decided to be graduated, and we are going to self-finance it in the near future. From 5 to 10 years, we have planned. So we are just focusing on Tibet enterprisation. We have different 6 kinds of enterprisation: agricultural, production, manufacturing, fabrication engineering, and the like. So from that we are just started, just we are observing some fruits of that effort. So we are surely, I can speak, within 10 years we are going to graduate from government dependency in terms of budget. The other initiative is fabrication engineering. As you know, our country is importing so many goods and technologies from foreign. As a result, the country is losing so many billions and millions of dollars. So Tibet concerned about that. At the same time, so yeah, we are trying to replace the technologies locally, just by assessing the economic movement, economic activities. Just we identify particularly on agro-mechanization. We are conducting or we are fabricating different technologies. Just we have transferred a lot of technologies. Just we evaluated them. They are fruitful. Just by doing so, we are going to replace the foreign technologies locally.
As Ethiopia continues to develop its economy, institutions like Wolkite Polytechnic College play a crucial role in providing skilled professionals who can drive innovation and growth.